Fire is a constant threat to you and your property. STOP-FYRE is the solution and proud to be the official fire extinguisher of the Lucas Oil Monster Truck Nationals.
STOP-FYRE uses liquefied suppression gases and attacks the fire so you don't have to. Safe to use everywhere, it is the only multi-use, no-mess unit that requires no servicing ever. And with a lifetime no-hassle guarantee, you can have true peace of mind knowing STOP-FYRE is protecting what matters to you most. See STOP-FYRE in action at ake.com.